Blender is quickly becoming the world's #1 leading application for 3D design, visual effects, computer graphics, and game development. Game studios across the globe are turning to Blender and need to hire 3D artists such as yourself who have a good understanding of a typical workflow when creating game assets. In this intermediate game asset creation course for Blender, you will be shown advanced techniques, tips, tricks, and procedures for creating beautiful looking 3D models. The information presented will give you a solid foundation on creating your own game assets from start to finish. Follow along with the real-world project and learn low-resolution modeling, high-resolution modeling, UV unwrapping, normal baking, texturing, and even exporting your game asset to Unity 3D, a popular game engine used in both web development and mobile apps. Not only will you learn Blender and importing objects into Unity, but you will also get additional information on using XNormal for creating maps and 3D Coat for creating stunning looking textures. You can even preview parts of this course for free, just to see if it's something you like. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, there is no reason to hesitate. Enroll now, jump right into Blender, and start creating your own game assets today.